For the vegetarian, I will introduce my phở chay or Vietnamese vegetable phở. It's a soup that's healthy and vegan. Soak 2 dry shiitake mushrooms for 15 minutes in warm water. In a pan, saute chopped shallot, garlic, and ginger. Slice the mushroom. Add the shiitake mushroom slices to the pan. Add 2 tablespoons of mushroom powder seasoning without MSG. Then add 1 teaspoon of star anise powder and 1 teaspoon 5-spice powder. Stir together. Add 1 cup of shiitake mushroom water and then add 3 cups of water. Now add fresh sliced tofu cake. Then some sliced onion, shredded carrot, and cabbage. Add fried tofu. Boil and simmer for 20 minutes. Now taste for flavor.
Delicious.
Prepare the pho noodles by soaking them in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Then bring a half pan of water to a boil and drop the pre-soaked noodle into the water and cook for 3 minutes. Then rinse under cold water and put the noodles aside. Now place sliced jicama, fresh tofu, and green onion on top of pho noodle. Ladle the soup on top. There you have it. Don't forget to serve the soup with hoisin sauce and hot sauce. Vegetable pho soup. I hope you enjoy your visit to Annie's Kitchen. Please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to be happy and healthy.